Now we're in the short answer section. If you go to the periodic table, you'll find phosphorus. Phosphorus is P, it's got 15 protons. The mass can vary because of isotopes, but normal phosphorus, or the most common, has a mass of 31. So 15 electrons, so we'd say, because it's the same as protons, so 1s would hold 2, and the 2s would hold 2, and the 2p would hold how many? And the 3s holds how many? 3p then would hold 6 max, but 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 is 12, so I only need 3 more here. So that's the configuration. The number in the outer shell would be everything in the highest coefficient, so you'd have 2 plus 3 right here. These two numbers added together, so the answer is 5. The orbital diagram for selenium, we'll do boxes, so 1s, 2s, 2p. Remember, you got 3 boxes for a p. 3s, 3p, 4s, then 3d, has to have 5 beds for the 3d, then we have 4p above that. So we write them down: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. Now, I know that that's going to work. If you don't know that's going to work, you just start drawing boxes in, and then you add more boxes if you run out of room. All right, so we need 34 electrons. Selenium has 34 electrons. So here we go: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. There's your picture. How many's in the outer shell? Well, that would be the 4p right here, and the 4s right here. So you'd be looking at 6. And the element's configuration that's shown here, this is krypton, which has 36, plus 2 plus 10. So 36 and 2 is 38, plus 10 is 48 total electrons. 48 electrons on your periodic table is cadmium. Noble gas configuration of potassium, you got 19 electrons in it. So argon has 18 electrons. So you put an AR in brackets like that. Then you have everything that's left over before S1. So that's 18 plus 1 is 19. Okay, dot diagrams. Phosphorus, if you look back up here, had 5 electrons in its outer shell. The dot diagram includes the S and the P electrons only. So there's the 5s. Then you put the 5p in 3 different places because there's 3 beds in the p, and the electrons don't want to be in the same bed. Oxygen has 8 electrons. So you put 2, and of those 8, it's 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. There's only 6 in the outer shell. It's also in the 6th column, the 6th tall column. Check it out. Make sure you understand that. So you just put 6 electrons in, because that's what it has in its outer shell. All right, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, one at a time until they have to pair up, and now they have to. So there you go. That's the picture. Okay, all the p sublevels of aluminum. Aluminum has 13 electrons. So you're looking at 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. So how many p electrons are there total? There's 6 here, there's 1 here. The answer is 7. Be sure you show your work on this so that I know what you're doing when you, I know that you know what you're doing when you take the retake. All right, there we go. That's the atom test in completion. Now that was the last section.